Today, we revisited this large feed processing plant to see the operation of the 8-ton chain grate steam boiler, which was installed and commissioned a few months ago. This is our belt loader. It provides smooth and even fuel delivery, ensuring a continuous flow of fuel into the furnace. Customers report stable operation, eliminating concerns about uneven fuel supply affecting production. This 8-ton chain grate boiler is designed specifically for the feed industry, providing continuous and stable steam supply. The spacious furnace provides ample combustion space, ensuring complete fuel combustion and high combustion efficiency. Customers report significant cost savings compared to previous boilers. The slag remover automatically removes slag and operates smoothly, reducing worker workload while ensuring long-term, continuous boiler operation. The intelligent electronic control system enables one-touch start and stop and real-time monitoring, making operation extremely convenient for customers. Temperature, pressure, and water level can be monitored at all times, greatly enhancing operational safety. The high-efficiency economizer at the rear of the boiler fully utilizes the flue gas's waste heat to preheat the feed water, significantly improving thermal efficiency. The customer commented that they could clearly see the cost reductions from the energy savings. We also paid no attention to environmental protection. This high-efficiency dust removal system and well-designed chimney ensured that emissions meet standards and flue gas discharge smoothly, eliminating the customer's concerns about environmental inspections. After rigorous commissioning, this boiler has been operating stably for several months, providing ample steam supply and fully meeting the high-intensity steam demands of the feed production line. The customer told me the production is now more efficient and downtime has been significantly reduced. EPCB Boiler, professional service, trustworthy.